Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class. That is English for grade 3. We are learning Unit 8. Its title is Grandpa's Garden. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is, or modify it for your convenience. Yes, my dear students, today we are going to start reading and understanding of this unit. So before this, you have learned about WH questions. Remember? And we have learned which question word we use and how we select the question words. In detail, we have discussed. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch this video lecture again, because this concept is going to help us to apply strategies to comprehend questions for tenses in a variety of the following question type: factual, personal response, and interpretive. It means we'll first analyze the question for its tense, and we'll find out is it factual or personal response or interpretive, and then we'll answer the question. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Al-Nahl, verse 11, He causes to grow for you thereby the crops, olives, palm trees, grapevines, and of all the fruits. Indeed, in that is a sign for a people who give thought. Yes, my dear students, Peter, this beautiful verse is a thought-provoking. Like from the same land, we grow different type of things. Crops, olives, palm trees, grapevines, subhanallah. So this is a sign of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Who taught the land to grow? Now, like you have sowed the seed of grapes, so there will be a grapevine, subhanallah. So beta, these are the signs of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We should be thankful for all these blessings. Now, this unit is about a garden. We'll talk about it. But before that, let's find out few things. What is a factual question? And what is the question of personal response? What is an interpretive question? First, we'll understand these three types of questions. Then we'll start the lesson. So factual question is basically, beta, we have learned about factual information, remember? So fact means something which is true, can be proven, and one thing is that is logical, okay? So factual question is a type of question that seeks to obtain information about a particular fact. Okay, it means if we don't answer by telling that fact, that will be wrong. For example, if I ask you what is day today, so this is a factual question. You have to tell me the exact date that today is Monday, for example. And if you say today is Friday, it's not Friday, it becomes wrong. So factual question needs absolute answer. Okay, or a piece of information that can be verified or proven to be true or false, right? So that is a factual type of question. A personal response question is a type of question that asks you for your own thoughts or feelings about something. It means whatever you think. There is no right or wrong answer. So whatever you feel about something, that is your own feeling. It cannot be wrong. A personal response question, for example, what is your favorite book? So you can answer whatever is your favorite book. I cannot say this is wrong. Why? That's your favorite book. And how are you feeling today? Maybe you are very happy, or maybe you are feeling low. So this is how personal response questions you reply. Then the third type is interpretive question. It's a type of question that requires you to analyze or interpret information to form an answer. Okay, beta, this is typically from the text. So you have to form. Why do you think the main character in the story was feeling sad? So this question you will answer in the light of the text only. You cannot put your own opinion. You have to analyze. So this is very you have to elaborate the answer according to the text. So this is how these three types of questions are different. Let's practice it, how to analyze it. So the first question is the pre-reading question of this unit. Why is it important to take care of plants? Let's analyze it first. First of all, it's why. So what type of question it is? It's interpretive question. Okay. Secondly is, we know which tense it is. It's present tense. So beta, the tense which is used in question, we have to answer in the same tense. Present question should be answered in the present tense. So how we'll answer it? We will use present tense, and there are word keys in the question as well, like is it important? So how we'll start our answer? It is important to take care of plants because, now we have to answer this why. Okay, so you will answer. Pause the video, tell the answer by using correct tense, correct answer type, that it is important to take care of plants. So whatever you should say, it should be logical. Pause the video, answer this question, and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. Now I'm going to start reading of this unit. Listen carefully because after me you have to read it. So page number 61 from the very first line. Here we go. Amir visits grandpa once a week. He likes to spend time with him. He loves the leaves and flowers and trees of his grandpa's garden. Amir helps to water the plants. Amir learned a lot of things from his grandpa about plants. Amir helps with the compost and works with his grandpa all day. When they finish, they eat the ripe fruits. One day, grandpa didn't eat. You see, weak form, we have learnt about it. Didn't eat his pear. What's wrong? Asked Amir. My garden is dying, replied grandpa. Why? Asked Amir. Now you see beta once again why. An interpretive question is there. Now let's see what does grandpa reply. Look closely, said grandpa. Some pets are eating the plants. Pets are the small insects which are harmful for plants. So some pets are eating the plants. We need ladybirds, said grandpa. They are the bugs that eat the pets that kill the plants. Without ladybirds, the garden will die. You see how in detail grandpa replied to why it's going on and whatever are the reasons, and even he told the solution as well. So beta, this is how we reply to interpretive questions. Okay, I'll, once again, you see it's a short form. So this is how beta, whatever we learn, we should apply it on the text. I'll bring you a bug or two, said Amir. For a whole week, Amir looked and searched. He collected 6 from the field. So he collected 6 ladybirds from the field. That's it. I'm pausing my reading over here. Now it's your turn. Pause the video. Read the text carefully because after this I have activity for you. So when you are done with reading, kindly come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Okay, so it's time for activity. What we are going to do, teacher will bring a text with comprehension. Students will comprehend the tense and question type to answer the question. So teacher, the way I told them how to identify the tense, how to identify the type of question, make them to practice it. I brought this text and comprehension. You can use the same, or you can use a text of your own, but make sure every child understand how to identify the tense, how to take the keywords, and how to answer the question. So pause the video, enjoy the activity, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Good job. So tomorrow we'll practice the same, inshallah. So it's time for further practice. Yes, we have question from comprehension. So first of all, you will analyze the type of question, you will analyze the tense, and you will tell the answers to your teacher. Teacher, kindly take the answers orally, keep correcting the students wherever they need, and then make them to write these answers in their notebook. So pause the video, complete this task, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Okay, so it's time for your homework. You will underline the sentences of simple present tense. Now it's time to identify. So let's find out, how do you identify? Underline the sentences of simple present tense and encircle the sentences of simple past tense in the text of this unit, page number 61, sorry. It's your homework, and here is a worksheet. My dear fellow teachers, this worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice different type of questions, to analyze different questions and answer them accordingly. So what we have learned, we learned to apply strategies to comprehend questions for tenses in a variety of the following question type: factual, personal response, and interpretive. Are we done with it? Yes. And tomorrow we'll do it again, inshallah. Till that time, keep learning, keep practicing, take very good care of yourself. Thank you, and Allah Hafiz.